See this tree? It's a Ficus Benghalensis. Today I will be splitting this tree into two. Hi, I'm David and this is Bonsai Fly. You can see that this tree has a nice thick trunk, but also a lot of thick branches coming out of the same spot. This will lead to inverse taper over time, so it's wise to take one off. This one near the front has aerial roots, so if I take this one off, the roots will be able to support the tree afterwards. First I'll take the tree out of the pot. Nice. Next step is to rake out the roots. I will expose all the roots that are connected to the aerial roots, because those roots will ultimately be able to support the branch that I'm about to take off. I try to be extra careful here because I don't want to damage any of the roots that support the branch. Now all of the roots are exposed. There are still a lot and they will be able to support the branch once it's taken off. Now I'm taking the branch off. I'm using a tree saw here, which I'll link down below because it's good quality and extra sharp. But you can basically use any sharp tool. I am making sure that the cut is as clean as possible. The branch came off nicely. Now you're left with two trees. Nice. By the way, doesn't that shirt deserve a like? The next step is to concave the cut that I've made. This way the wound will heal in a way that it won't be visible afterwards. I'm using a knob cutter here. I'll link the model down below. This is the result of the concaving. Next, I'm using cut paste to seal the wound. I am also sealing the cut on the branch that was taken off. I am now potting that one up so that the roots don't dry out. For soil, I'm just using calcined clay mixed with ordinary low-fee gardening soil. The main tree now looks like this. For now, I'm just putting it back into its old pot. I make sure to fill that up with soil again so the roots don't dry out. Hey, if you liked what you just saw, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, maybe watch another one of my videos and check me out on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.